Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a lovely weekend. It was beautiful yesterday. Now we have some kind of dreary here in Ontario. So I'm in my dress that I like to do for Halloween, and I even have a cute little, voodoo doll on my hair. So there we go. Um, So yes, I've been not taste testing, but testing here in the kitchen. I will show the photos as I was doing it to see how it goes. Hi, Debbie. And then yeah, so so I was trying to make stuff so they would be cool by the time I got on the call. They're not all cool, but there is my shortbread cookies. So shortbread cookies, literally it's butter, a little water, and the package, and then mold them to however you want. I tried to do little graveyards, and then I just kind of changed it up. So I made them into little rectangular things. And then I had this straw, and I'm all like, well, let me just put like a fence at the bottom. And then the fence turned into like a mouth of a skull. And then I took the top part and poked in to make the little eyes. So the three here is without taking it out a little bit. And then these ones, I tried leaving it in just to see what would happen. And they're pretty cool either way, kind of funky looking. And then I made circles because I have, the balls in your shakes kind of idea, but you could use whatever. So it's spirally, right? So then that's how I made my little spiral guys. And then I was just going to put like chocolate sauce or even red pepper, or I assume you guys will have like, if you want icing, or melt some chocolate or white chocolate or whatever, and have some fun with that. And then I made cupcakes. So I made them with our brownie mix, our fudgy brownie mix. So I made actually everything as the package says. So our fudgy brownie mix, our shortbread cookies, and the happy birthday cake. Just as normal. I just kind of divided up depending on what I was doing. So the brownies all went into the muffin pan in the microwave 2.5 minutes. Keep them halfway, and then let them cool. This is one set where I kind of put a little happy birthday cake in just to see what would happen. So you could have some fun even with other things. I was going to say holidays, but you know what I mean. Morning, Nicole. Good morning, Tammy. And then you could just have some fun and whatever. If you are much more daintier, nicer, pretty, whatever, with your hands, you'll do a better job than me. You know me, I'm kind of like, we'll just throw it together and see what happens. Then I tried to do something else, which is take a little bit of the birthday cake, put it on a liner, cook it for a few minutes, and kind of make some funky shapes, just to see if I could decorate them weird, and then put them onto the cake that I have in the oven afterwards. So these are the kind of things I'm playing around with to see what I can do. And see if I can have some fun with it. I just used our chocolate sauce for making some chocolate sauce, but you could use, as I said, icing or whatever it is that you want. Obviously, our chocolate sauce isn't available anymore, but you could use something else. So, like for the spiral here, let's see. Oops, that's not what I'm trying to do. Leave the spout on and just kind of pour it in. There we go. So that's kind of what my plan was, to have some funky things. And then if you wanted, you could kind of spread it apart. If I had white chocolate, which I didn't do, I could totally turn the skulls the white part instead of chocolatey. But that is an option. And then I could just use a toothpick maybe and just brush in the teeth so you can see. And then in the oven I've got the rest of the happy birthday cake, and I put a little brownies in like squares, like little like graveyard settings. And that's where I was going to kind of put everything. And then you can have some fun with some dirt. If you have our Cocoa Crunch, makes really good dirt. Score pieces could work. Crumbles from the brownies or cupcakes or anything like that would work as well, or just chocolate cake. And then kind of have some fun with that. So yeah, that's kind of what I did. I didn't want to take too much time up today, I am, but like for you guys watching or whatever, it's just kind of ideas that you can take this and have some fun with yourself, your friends, your kids. If you're having like a Halloween girls' night or something, have some girls over, dress up, wear whatever you're wearing, but then have some fun making different cookies. And if you see, someone just stole one of my cookies and now he's stealing another cookie. You know, I had plans for those cookies. Anyway, that's just it. So I was just thinking, like, it's a cool little idea. Even if it's not for Halloween, you could do this for anything. Like, this would be a good cooking class. If we had an in-person cooking class, have some friends over, we'll make cupcakes and brownies and things like that. And then everyone can have fun decorating it or making funky shapes or whatever. And then, you know, you eat and drink something, have some fun, you know. It's an option. It's an idea. I don't know. So yeah, that's it. So this week, meal prep. I've got some sausage defrosting. I'm gonna make my mushroom sausage pizza that I really like because we have some pizza crusts in the freezer. I have a cooking class on the 1st with Karen. It is a US based class, but anyone is welcome. I will have Canadian links open for so if anybody wants to join us and see what we're gonna make. I'll be honest, I haven't thought yet. I will figure that out maybe tomorrow. You know me, fly by the seat of my pants on that one. And then, yeah, so because I can do that when I meal prep and plan because most of my stuff is base protein and veggies and I just switch it up with whatever seasoning. And that's the cool thing about Epic here is you can just switch it up and have some fun. So if you're not interested in, say, pad thai today, you want butter chicken, switch it up. It's all good. It's the same veggies, right? Same protein. Just have some fun. So that's that. And yeah, it's been a really awesome month. October has been crazy. Yeah, my team, we qualified like on the 22nd, which is so new for us to be so early in the month. So thank you for everyone who ordered and my team who've been rocking it. We brought on six, I think six new people this month already in our team. And it's pretty cool. We have the free joining as well. So it means zero down and go ahead and start a business or be your own ambassador because say you order every month or every other month. It's a pretty good way to get the discount for your stuff, make some money, especially during the holiday season. It's a great time to be a part of us. So if you're a part of our team, so if you're interested and want to see what it's all about, reach out to me or one of the team members and see how that works for you. So yeah, I just want to say thank you. I'm grateful. It's been pretty rocking for the last little bit. So yeah. All right. So if you have any questions about anything that I've made, or if you want to know if I made something a little differently or anything like that, feel free to ask any questions. If you have meal prep questions, if you got something in your cupboard that you're like, I don't know what to do with this, I need to change it, I'm bored with this flavor, that happens. I do it all the time. So feel free to reach out. I can see if I can give you an idea for it. If you have the head office, if you are getting emails from Happy Cure head office, you should have got an email saying, here's your code to get a discount anywhere between 5 and 15% off. Most of my people have been getting 10. So that's pretty awesome. So 10% off is 10% off. So that goes until the 31st. If by chance you don't have an email and you still want to grab something and get a mystery code, feel free to reach out to me. I have one or two in my back pocket that I can share. So there you go. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. Just gonna have some fun. So as I said, like this is like happy birthday cake. I could, you know, put it on. Can you see my cupcakes? Yeah. So make a little doodad of thingy so it sticks, and make a little snake. If I can get it to snake properly, maybe not. Nah. Then and then just have some fun. And you know, weird little sneaky thing. Ooh, I know. It's kind of like oh, what's his name? Beetlejuice. The Beetlejuice snaky because it's kind of like that wormy that's gooey. So there you go. That's an idea. And then if you just make up little balls of it, you could like stick them on and make your face. Right? So just a little bit of chocolate sauce or icing, just so it sticks. And then there's that one. Oop, see, don't do it while it's still warm. This is why I said I was trying to wait for it to cool. Wait for it to cool. And then you're good. And there you go. So just a few ideas, things you could have some fun with. I know you guys are probably 1,000 times better at this than me. So if you do something, feel free to share it in the group. You know, your name gets in a raffle. But I am doing a little raffle for Halloween. So show me your pictures of you guys dressed up, what you made, any of that, and I'll put your name in for a special for that as well. And so I still had one more batch in here of the brownies. So it does do, like, one package will do the full 12 brownies, cupcakes, however you want, and then literally pops right out. And then if you had white or red or something, you could have some fun with that. And then in the oven, as I said, I had to put the happy birthday cake in there. Let's stop that for a sec. Doo, doo, doo. My little things didn't go so well. The brownie mix is denser than the happy birthday cake, so we'll kind of sink. So they're not perfect, but I can still have some of the chocolate sauce, put the little graveyard or whatever on, sprinkle cocoa crunch on it or whatever, and there you go. So that's a happy birthday cake, which just needs a few more minutes, and then that's done. So there we go. Thanks so much for hopping on, and yeah, have an awesome Sunday. If you go out with your family or kids or whatever and do Halloween, I hope it's great for you. Otherwise, you know what? Hope to talk to you soon, and take care.